I'm Jessica. I live in Raleigh. We recently had some damage done to our floors because of our new puppy, so we decided to call A1 Floors and get a quote. Kevin came out quickly and he was very easy to talk to, walked me through the whole process, made me feel comfortable with the financial part of it, and we were quick to schedule something soon after that meeting. The crew came in just as expected. They were very courteous. They were also very hardworking. I had a special request and they were very quick and very happy to honor that request. The floors look great. We're very happy with the way they turned out, and it's definitely added value to our house and helped us to feel more comfortable. So we would definitely go with A1 Floors again in a future job if we needed another job done, and we're happy about the overall experience.